There are a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use the calculator tool for grades 6 through 8. During testing, the calculator will be available to you on certain test questions. This is what the calculator will look like once you have followed these next steps. When it is available, select the calculator button in the upper right corner by using your mouse or trackpad. Here's what the calculator will look like once you have made that selection. If you would like to move the location of the calculator, you can drag it to any location on the screen using your mouse or trackpad. If you're in grade 7 or 8, you will be presented with a scientific calculator for use. Here's what that will look like. You will notice tabs on the calculator above the number section. Selecting Main will show you the main calculator. The ABC selection will give you access to letters and punctuation. The Function tab will give you access to more calculator functions. You also have the option to select the functions of degree or radian. Just like the other calculator option, you will be able to move it to different parts of the screen. There are 2 ways to close the calculator when you're ready to continue with your test. You can select the X in the upper right corner of the calculator tool, or select the calculator button again. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!